Now at first on the gas flame, put 2 glass water in a big vessel and boil it. Put half a spoon salt. Add some pasta kernel and stir it with a spoon and cover it with a lid. Cook it about 80%. Now strain it and pour some normal water to stop cooking process. Keep one pan on a gas flame and put some olive oil, some grated garlic and stir it. Then add some chopped onion and chopped carrot. Saute for 1 minute. Now add some chopped capsicum. Add some boiled sweet corn. Then saute it about 2 seconds. Then add some salt as per taste according to veggies, some black pepper, mix herbs, oregano, chili flakes, mix well. Keep aside. Another pan on a gas flame, add 4 tablespoons butter, 4 tablespoons Maida, which is called white flour. Roast for few seconds. Don't change the color. Now add 1 glass milk, then continuously mix it well so it will not occur lumps. Now add some black pepper, some salt, oregano, chili flakes. Mix it well. Now add boiled pasta. Again mix it well. Now add roasted veggies. Now add good quantity of grated cheese. If you want more creamy pasta, add some milk, more for fine texture. Your delicious pasta is ready. Now serve it with some chili flakes. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.